All right, here is another video. We got the lineup for September. What? Yeah, so don't mind me. I'm a little cray right now. I'm happy that it's Friday, that when I'm recording this, and I can't wait to be done work. Okay, I'm filming on my lunch. I can't wait to be done. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what kits I'll be using in September. So for the first week of September, which actually starts August 30th to September 5th, I'm going to be using this kit from Crafts by Thaowie called Enjoy the Little Things. And honestly, I definitely was trying to, because this week happened to be the first month anniversary of us being married, and I was really just trying to soak it all in, because it kind of like baffled me that it had already been a month. Like, that was just so fast. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using, and I'll show you guys all of the pages. It is in rose gold, of course. You guys already know how I roll, and I believe this is like an older format for her. And that's the bottom washi. And then I also picked up the layering add-on, as well as one of the deco sheets. So this is going to be my first kit for the month of September. All right, and then this is the next one. So this is going to be for the week of Labor Day, which was September 6th. I'm going to be using this kit called Change from the Giving Girl. Again, it is in rose gold, because I mean, you guys just know how I feel. And it's sunflowers, and I just think the colors lends itself to being like a late summer going into that transition of fall. So these are all of the pages of the kit. Everything that I'm showing here, I have hauled, so I go like a little bit more into detail of everything that I got. So then I did get the bow strung box add-on, and then I got 2 of the deco sheets to go with it. So that's going to be my kit for the second week of September. Okay, and then the next kit is going to be from Goldmine CoCo, and this is a really old kit, and I don't even have like a full kit. It's just like the boxes that I really have. So I said I'm going to make it work. I know I have things in my stash that I can use, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is going to be for the week of September 13th. So these are the full boxes. This is not a foiled kit, but I love the like blues, and the saturations is really pretty. And I'm not sure if I kind of feel like I should use rose gold with this as well. But you guys let me know what you think down in the description and the comments below. Then I have these half boxes, as well as 2 sets of date covers, and then it came with this like washi strip. So I may kind of do something down there. I'm not even sure, but these are all of the pages that I have for this week. All right, and then for the next week, which is the week of September 20th, it also happens to be the first day of fall of this week. So I had to use this kit, right? Yes, it's called Fall of Days from Sadie Stickers. Absolutely love it. And the colors, the richness of these like browns and greens and mustards with the rose gold is just so pretty. So here you go. Here are all the pages again. Absolutely love it. This is one of her newer formats as well. And then I did go ahead and I got 2 of the deco sheets. And what I love is that because of these colors and it being fall, if I have any other fall kits, which will probably be like the week before, I could probably use some of these boxes in there as well. So it just works perfectly. So that's for the technically 3rd full week or 4th week of September. This is the kit that I will be using. All right, and then for the last week of September, which goes into October, I'm going to be using this kit. This is an older format kit from Letters to Apollo. It's called Fall in the Sun. I've been hoarding this kit for a while, and then I'll put it in my rotation and then take it out. And I said, you know what, I'm going to use it. And now that I'm looking at it and realizing all of my other kits are all rose gold, that kit from, well, the full boxes from Goldmine CoCo, yep, it's going to be a whole rose gold September. So y'all just go ahead and get ready for all these spreads coming to ya. Okay. All right, so let me show you guys what this kit looks like. As you can see, she has like that extra little box up there. Here are your 9 full boxes, 3 sets of headers, your date cover, sidebar goodies, your page of boxes, which are all non-foiled. And then this is your bottom washi, not foiled. You got a couple of scripts, some icons, and some flags. And then each of her sheets does have this little box in here, in case you guys can't see it. So that is going to be for the last week of September. All right, and that concludes the whole lineup for the month of September. Hopefully you guys are ready for these videos. I'm definitely going to try to pump them out so I can get all caught up. And yeah, make sure you guys let me know what kits you've used for September if you're still back planning like I am. And if you have a channel, make sure you let me know so I can go and watch your videos too. But if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. Let's grow the fam over here. Make sure you like this video, leave me a comment down below, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.